Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can find articles that are trending on social media. And those trending articles will help you to get followers organically. And that means you will get a free traffic. Also, we all know that Google doesn't really like AI content. So today I'm going to show you a tool that will write you 100% human written content. So stay with me. So first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. Second thing you need to do, you need to find a product that you wish to promote. So let's say, for example, that I'm in dog niche. So I'm here on Digistore24 affiliate marketplace. So here I will simply search for dog, okay? And here I can see there is lots of dog related products, as you can see here. And I can promote these products and actually make a good money. So next thing I need to do, I need to find dog related trends. Now, simplest thing to do is you can simply go on Google Trends. And then here you can simply search, for example, for a dog. And then press enter. And here you can see what is currently trending on Google when it comes to dogs. Here you can see in United States, you can choose some other country. But here is the thing. This Google Trends will actually show you what is trending on Google, but it will not show you what is currently trending on social media. Quite often, things that are trending on social media are not trending on Google and vice versa. So how do you actually find articles that are trending on social media? Well, what you can do is you can simply go here on BuzzSumo, and what you need to do, you need to click here on Discover, and then click here on Content Idea Generator, and then click here on Find Trends, okay? And then here you can see what is currently trending. So for example, let's say I wish to search Donald Trump, and then press enter, and here I can see what is currently trending when it comes to Donald Trump. Now, Donald Trump is always a trend, but here you can see what is exactly trend about Donald Trump at this moment. So here you can actually filter by 24 hours, 12 hours, 6 hours, 3 hours, 1 hour. Here you can search by language, and here you can add more filters. But I'm actually not interested in Donald Trump. I'm actually interested to find a dog related trends. So here I will simply search for dog. And here I can see what is currently trending in past 24 hours when it comes to dog. Now here you can see number of likes on Facebook, 71,000 likes on Facebook, 2 likes on Twitter, 0 likes on Pinterest, and 0 likes on Reddit. As you can see, here you can see engagement on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Reddit for the particular article. So what I need to do, I need to find the article that has most engagement, because that means that is the trending article and I need to catch that train, okay? So for example, let's just say I wish to check this article here. I just need to click on it and I will see this article here, okay? So this is a trending article. People like to read this. People actually like this story. So what I need to do, I actually need to write about the same topic about this pub here, because that is a trending story. People would like to read that, okay? So what I need to do, I simply need to copy this here, this link here, and then I need to go here on ChatGPT and I simply need to tell it to rewrite this article here, okay? And that's it, and ChatGPT will rewrite that article. As you can see here, please rewrite this article, and then I added this link here. Press enter, and now ChatGPT will rewrite this article for us. Just give it a few seconds to actually do that. So like I said, Google doesn't really like AI written articles. So what I can do, I can simply copy this article that ChatGPT rewrote for me, okay? I will simply copy this, and then I can go on this website here, ryan.ai. And I can register for a free account, and then I will go here on tools and then go here on Humanizer, okay? And then here I can simply paste this text, okay? And here you can see I paste this text. And as you can see here, 100% AI. Because this is 100% AI, all I have to do now is just click here on Humanize, okay? And now Ryan AI will rewrite this article so it looks like it was written by a real human being. Here you can see 0% AI. So to be sure that this is really 0% AI, I can simply copy this article here, Control C, and go on this website here, 0gpt.com. Scroll here, paste that here, click here, detect text. Give it a few seconds to actually analyze this. Here you can see, again, 0 AI GPT. And that means this actually looks like it was written by a real human being. So all I have to do now is just copy this article here and then go on medium.com, publish that article on medium.com or on Vocal Media or on your blog or your website, and then simply start promoting one of these products here that I found on Digistore24 affiliate marketplace. And you can write as many articles as you want. As you can see, guys, you can find lots of trending articles here on BuzzSumo, and you can simply use ChatGPT to rewrite those articles, and then you can use Ryan AI to rewrite those articles so they look it was written by a real human being. And like I said, then just publish those articles on your blog, on your website, on Vocal Media, medium.com, and then simply start sharing those articles on social media. Share it on Twitter, share it on Pinterest, share it on Facebook, on your Facebook profile, in Facebook groups, share it on related forums, share it on Reddit, share it wherever you can. Just start driving as much traffic as you can. And as you saw, these articles are trending, these topics are trending, people are talking about it, they actually like reading stuff like this, and they will start sharing that with their friends. And you will start getting organic followers, and you will start getting free traffic that you can use to promote your affiliate products or whatever you want. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.